Hi everybody, Lois Threlkeld with the Ladies of Justice League.com, and I just received this book in the mail that I've been waiting for. It is by Frank Aucoin and Theresa Aucoin, and it's called 10 Legacy Lessons of Wealth. This is what the wealthy teach their children that the masses don't know. Not only don't teach their children, might not even know. So these are 10 legacy lessons. This is all about wealth creation, right? Owning equity and ongoing transactions without having to be there. This is the mission of financial freedom as well as time freedom. It gives you time to travel, and if you want to do that sort of thing. Anyway, I have not yet read this book because I have just received it, but as soon as we finish this video, I am sitting down and beginning my journey. Cannot wait. I love what I've heard about it. I'm Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com, and yeah, I look forward to talking with you real soon. Find out what you got out of this book. Take care now. And did I mention this is little known information? It's not something that is random. When you become wealthy and you own equity in ongoing transactions, it's because it was on purpose. All right, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Take care.